My regular dentist had referred me here. I needed a fair amount of work on my gums and bones, as well as having implants done after chemotherapy and some other issues that I had had. And I just felt right at home as soon as I was here. Everybody here is so warm and so caring. And I had already been through a rough time, and it was really special to have people that I just knew they cared. It wasn't put on. And right from the beginning, there was never that attitude that, oh, this is a big problem. It's like, yeah, you have a lot of work to do. We're gonna get you through it. You know, he's very reassuring. He's so laid back. Even when you're going in for surgery, he takes care of you from beginning to end. It's really reassuring that he's there through the whole thing. I mean, before, after, explaining everything. A lot of doctors don't do that. He genuinely wanted to make sure I wasn't having any extraordinary pain. He was available after surgeries. He would call me from a cell phone to make sure I was okay. That's pretty unusual. And yeah, I was relaxed right away, and I've never been a big fan of this kind of stuff, but who is? But he relaxed me right away just because I got the impression that my comfort was his utmost important, next to getting me healed. I would highly recommend Dr. Levitt for a whole bunch of reasons. First of all, he's really good at what he does. I had some large issues to deal with, and years later, I am completely healed, which is amazing. There's the mannerisms of the doctor. There's the way we're treated by the staff. Everything is a plus around here. The experience was better than I had expected. Not that I had too many preconceptions. I didn't know what I was coming in for at the time. But I have recommended to anybody that needs any periodontal work, and especially implants, definitely. This is where you want to be for somebody that's gentle and cares, but will really do a great job for you.